Welcome back to the channel, Sonny Squad. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sonny and this is Sonny Kicks. And we have officially hit 2,000 subscribers. I truly can't thank y'all enough. Like, this is crazy. We just hit 1,000 legit like a few months ago. Like, it's just amazing. And I truly appreciate y'all for that. That is crazy. Nonetheless, thank y'all. I love y'all so much. Like, honestly, thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. To all the squad members from day one, from all the recent squad members, truly appreciate and love every single one of y'all. The grind is not stopping. And with that being said, are you looking for dope sneaker reviews? One of the best stone feet shots, how to finesse the kicks, whether it be how to style,
The best things since sliced bread. True.
or the best ways to lace them up, or of course any other sneaker related content, and you, my friend, are in the right place. Subscribe and join the squad.
Batter up, lyrics and home runs. I don't do this for fun, nigga. I'm Aaron Judge with it, tough with it. Burning through paper as if a slug hit it. See you paid, now it's time to pay attention.
Now, without any hesitation, y'all already know what y'all here for. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of an early pickup that I've been waiting for since the dawn of time. I swear it's ridiculous. I bought this shoe October 31st. Today is November 12th, and I just got them in. That's ridiculous. I don't know how this happened. I did order from SneakerCon app. They've been great to me the past, actually every purchase. I think I purchased from them like, I don't know, like 6 times. All of them were just amazing. And this one for some reason was just awful. I don't know why, but without further ado, let's just open these up, get to the shoes, because that's what I'm so hyped for these, so hyped for them. That's probably why it feels like it was the worst. It probably wasn't even that bad, but actually, nah, yeah, that is that bad. But yeah, this shoe, actually, I ain't gonna say nothing about the shoe. I'm gonna just open it up. Y'all gonna see what I got. But yeah, I didn't even want to waste any more time opening these up. I literally just got straight home from work, took a shower. I feel good, real cozy. And yeah, as soon as I opened the door and saw the package, I really wanted to open them. I really wanted to open them up like ASAP, but I wanted to share the experience with y'all. And I don't know if I want to show y'all this just yet. I got you. I'm just put this down here, right? I'm gonna open them up. Woo! Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds, man. Woo! Yes. Finally, man. All right, yes, y'all see it? Air Jordan 4 box. I'm gonna do that little B-roll clip and whatnot afterwards, but oh my, let me get the other shoe. Oh yeah. That Nike ear on the back, man. I've only watched like a couple reviews, but mainly on like Instagram and all that, I've been seeing people saying that they got like quality control issues and whatnot. Dog, I think I got a solid pair. No cap, I really got a solid pair. It's just like the little minor creasings, but like honestly, I don't care. That's like, the leather just look like it's that good. Oh, this leather is nice. Hold up. This leather nice. This nice leather. Wait a minute. Yo. This leather is nice. Gotta smell it. You got to. It's just a thing. You gotta smell your new kicks. Now, this leather actually is real good. Like, if you got a pair of Fire Red 5s, they feel like that, but better. That's probably why they got some little minor, like little slight creasing. This leather pretty good. This really is not a bad pair at all. This really is not a bad pair at all. Well, to me at least. Like, in my opinion, this shoe is top notch. Like, oh man, this is so fire. No pun intended. These are hard. I don't. Was it worth the wait in the end? Even though I had to wait basically like almost 2 weeks for these, was it worth the wait? Yes, yes it was. Oh my gosh. These shoes are magnificent. They're beautiful. These are beautiful. And then I love how they got the OG Nike Air tag on them. Love this shoe, man. I'm so hyped that they brought these back for real. Like, we got the news over in the beginning of this year that they were coming back. Ever since then, I've been impatient for this. Like, I was like, November 28th is so far away. And honestly, once they did the whole little shock drop on Nike and whatnot, well, shock drop. Obviously, I missed out on the shock drop, so I had to rely on, you know, secondary market. No problem with that. And because they were coming with the quote-unquote factory issues, quality control issues and whatnot, some pairs weren't that good. Some pairs were better than others and whatnot, so they did a shock drop. It seemed like they put out the B grades it looked like or whatever, which is why the resale on early pairs really weren't that high. Honestly, I got these for $245, and I had to do it. I was like, y'all just been showing mad love to the channel. Y'all been killing it. Y'all already know I love my Jordan 4s. You know what? Why not? Why not just get these early? Save the hassle of the flex app and whatnot. At the same time, and show y'all the first ever early review. Which honestly, I'm trying to shoot that right now. So, yeah.
Okay, bye.